Dear student, again let us continue model 3. In this lecture video, we will continue with the previous topic, that is advantages of internet protocol over IoT. So the next advantage of internet protocol in IoT is scalability. So as the common protocol of the internet, IP has been massively deployed and tested for robust scalability. This internet protocol, it has been tested for scalability, because day by day a lot of small things are getting added with the internet and making network. So it will be good it to be tested in a massive way. So millions of private and public IP infrastructure nodes have been operational for years, offering strong foundations for those not familiar with IP network management. So millions of private and public IP infrastructure nodes have been operational for years, offering strong foundations for those not familiar with the IP network management. Adding huge numbers of things to private and public infrastructure may require optimization and design rules specific to the new devices. So since many new things with newest technology and infrastructure, hardware, framework, they are getting added with the internet. So we need optimized design rules for specific new devices. However, you should realize that this is not very different from the recent evolution of voice and video endpoints integrated over IP. IP has proven before that scalability is one of its strengths. IP, Internet Protocol, it is proved that Internet Protocol, it is uh, scalability criteria of Internet Protocol is its strength. Manageable and highly secure. Communications infrastructure requires appropriate management and security capabilities for proper operations. One of the benefits that comes from 30 years of operational IP network is the well understood network management and security protocol mechanisms and tool sets that are widely available. It's a benefit for last 30 years that network management and security protocol mechanisms are tool sets which are widely available. Adoption IP network management also brings an operational business application in OT. Well-known network and security management tools are easily leveraged with an IP network layer. So, however, you should be aware that despite the secure nature of IP, real challenges exist in this area. So, since IP is more secure and more open, but still, it to make small things which have different infrastructure, operating system, framework, connecting with each other and making communicate with each other, it's still challenging job. Specifically, the industry is challenged in securing constrained nodes, handling legacy OT protocols and scaling operations. Industry, it is more challenge for them to securing the nodes, handling protocols and scaling the operations. Next advantage is stable and resilient. IP has been around for 30 years and it is clear that IP is a workable solution. IP has a large and well-established knowledge base, and more importantly, it has been used for years in critical infrastructures such as financial and defense networks. So, IP, it is a large and well-established knowledge base, and it is more important, it has been used for years in critical infrastructures such as financial field or defense field networks. So it is a more reliable and more stable because for years and years it is used safely, and it is incapable of providing all the services. In addition, IP has been deployed for critical services such as voice and video, which have already transitioned from closed environment to open IP standards. Even IP, it is also used for services like voice or video and sharing the data. Finally, its stability and resiliency benefit from a large ecosystem of IT professionals who can help design, deploy, and operate IP-based solutions. Consumers market adoption. When developing IoT solutions and products targeting the consumer market, vendors know that consumers' access to applications and devices will occur predominantly over broadband and mobile wireless infrastructure. The main consumer devices range from smartphones to stable and PCs. The common protocol that links IoT in the consumer space to the devices is Internet Protocol. Next advantage is innovation factor. In the past 2 decades have largely established the adoption of IP as a factor for increased innovation. Adopting the IP in the field of network, it has increased the innovation. IP is the underlying protocol for applications ranging from file transfer and email to the World Wide Web, e-commerce, social networking, mobility, and more. Even the recent computing evolution from PC to mobile and mainframes to cloud services are perfect demonstration of the innovative ground enabled by IP. So today, whatever innovation it is possible in the field of computer science, it is because of the Internet Protocol. Innovations in IoT can also leverage an IP underpinning. Okay, in the next lecture video, we'll be studying adaptation and adoption topic. Thank you very much.